Let's compare loops. For versus while in Python. Ever find yourself doing the same task over and over? Python has your back. Today, we will explore the two most popular loops in Python, when to use them, and why they matter. And to make it fun, we will follow Aman, the tech-savvy cafe owner at CodeBrew, who automates everything from greetings to coffee alerts. Let's dive in. At CodeBrew, Aman has two tricks up his sleeve. One, the for loop, helps when he knows exactly how many tasks to do. The other, the while loop, takes over when he's waiting for something to happen, but doesn't know exactly when it'll end. Both make his cafe run like magic. Time to see them in action. Meet the for loop, repetition with a plan. Every morning, Aman greets his team. He knows their names, he knows how many they are. So, he uses a for loop to greet each of them with a smile. In Python, it looks like this. He loops through each name in the staff list and prints a greeting. Simple, efficient, friendly. Enter the while loop, waiting for an event. Now let's say a customer is paying online. Aman's system doesn't know how long that'll take. So, he uses a while loop. It keeps checking the payment status until it's confirmed. Once done, it says thank you. Great for moments when you don't know how many tries it'll take. For loop in action, tracking hourly sales. At the end of the day, Aman wants to track how much he sold every hour. Since the sales data comes in as a list for each hour, he knows exactly how many entries to go through. For loop adds them up and prints the running total. This helps Aman spot his peak hours and plan ahead. While loop in action, monitoring bean levels. Aman never wants to run out of coffee beans. So, he sets up a while loop that keeps checking bean levels. As long as the level stays above 20%, all is well. But once it drops, boom. A warning is triggered. Because no beans means no coffee. And no coffee means chaos. Nested for loops, managing table orders. Some customers order more than just one item. And there are multiple tables too. Aman uses nested for loops, one to loop through each table, and one more to process each order on that table. This way, no croissant or cappuccino is ever forgotten. For versus while, quick recap. So, when should you use which? Use a for loop when you know how many items or times you want to repeat something. Perfect for lists, strings, or anything countable. Use a while loop when you're waiting for a condition to be met. Great for user inputs, sensors, or real-time events. Remember, for means, do this for each thing. While means, keep doing this while this is true. Just like Aman automates CodeBrew, you too can build smart solutions using Python. From simple scripts to smart systems, the possibilities are endless. Join AI Council to master Python with hands-on projects, certifications, and career support. Visit aicouncil.in or message us on WhatsApp at +917428661107. Let's build something awesome together with code.